Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get verified on Spotify. So getting verified on Spotify simply means you getting a blue tick on your Spotify profile, and this helps people to understand that your account is official and legit and it belongs to you. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can get that blue tick on your profile. Alright, it's very simple. Now the first step you have to take here is to head to artist.spotify.com. Alright, now once you're right here, the next thing you have to do here is to click on the get access button at the top right corner. Click on that. You can only do this once with one Gmail, so you need to be careful with the process, because after making your first attempt, I think you probably won't be able to do it again with that same Gmail, so you need to be very careful while applying for this. Now here's the second phase, which is get access to Spotify for artists. Now you need to check these two options. This first one is artist or manager, and this second one is label team member. So which one are you requesting as? Right, I'm going to click on this first one, which is artist or manager. For example, I'm not an artist though, I'm just trying to show you the process. Now the next thing you have to do here is to enter your Spotify account Gmail address. Alright, the next thing is your password. Alright, now I'm going to click on the login button. Now here it says claim an artist profile. Here it says if you already have music on Spotify, you can get access to start, pitch tracks to our editors and more. Now click on the continue to claim your profile. Now this is my profile. Here it says, is this the right Spotify account? Yeah, it's the right Spotify account. So I'm going to click on the next button, and here it says, what's your profile? What profile are you claiming? Only claim one profile at a time and wait until you get access before claiming another. So you can only claim one profile at a time, and you have to wait to get access to the verification before you claim another one. And also you need to make sure that you have music on your Spotify account. Alright, make sure you've uploaded some couple of music, and also you have some followers, right, so that you can get these verification fast. Now I don't have any music on my profile, so I don't think my account will show right here. I'm just going to search for it and see. Alright, my account is not showing right here, but for example, let me just choose any of this one and show you guys how it works. Let me choose this first person. Okay, let me do that again, sorry. It says please include at your let me just try. Okay, here it says what's your business email address, so let me just enter my email address and see if that will work for me, because I don't actually have any music on my profile, so my account is not going to come up in the search. Okay, let me click on the continue button and see. Alright, it says we sent a 6-digit code to copy and paste it. Alright, let me get that from my Gmail. Verification code has been sent to my Gmail, so let me check that from my Gmail. And Alright, clicking on the next to access my Gmail. So here's the code, your code for artist confirmation. So I'm going to copy that. Then I'm heading back and I'll paste it right here. Right now it says get access. Here's the name. Right, this is not my name actually. Right, that was the name I just selected, a random name I selected because my name was not appearing in the search, and that's because I didn't have any music on my profile. So I just want to show you this person's account name. Okay, this is the account name right here. Now here it says billing country, choose country. You have to select your billing country. My country is Nigeria. Alright, so yeah, we have to fill in all this information. We have to enter our name. My first name is Isaac, and my last name is Bay. This is my business email, and here it says choose row. Let me select artist, company. I'm going to choose this, correct music. Now the next thing we have to do here is to check this box to confirm that we are not a robot. Alright, click on next, and here it says if you're okay isn't right, info required, verification that you are part of the team, connect to artist social media account. We will also use to verify this. Right, so click on next. So you have to have a website or a social media account, like your Instagram account, something like that. Here it says Instagram, Twitter is required, just to confirm that it's really you. Alright, so just go ahead and add that. I don't have any Instagram account bearing this name. Okay, so once you enter that, then you're going to get access to this account on Spotify, and then you'll be verified. So guys, this is just the process. So just go ahead and add your social link right here and proceed. So this is how you can get the verified on Spotify. Hope this tip was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more.